Hey there, FX Limit family. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing and often overlooked aspects of Forex trading, seasonal patterns. If you've been trading for a while, you've probably noticed certain times of the year when specific currency pairs seem to follow consistent trends. But what if I told you that there's a way to turn these seasonal tendencies into actionable strategies? That's exactly what we're exploring today. So, grab your notepad, and let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what seasonal patterns in Forex really are. Unlike stocks, where seasonality can be influenced by corporate earnings or holiday sales, Forex seasonality is often driven by macroeconomic factors. Things like central bank policies, geopolitical events, and even agricultural cycles can create predictable movements in certain currency pairs. For example, the Australian dollar often strengthens in the first quarter of the year. Why? Australia's economy relies heavily on commodities, and demand for raw materials tends to spike at the start of the year due to renewed industrial activity. On the flip side, the USD often sees a boost in the final quarter as investors flock to safe havens and the holiday shopping season fuels consumer spending. Now, if you're wondering how to harness these trends, I've got you covered. Seasonal strategies generally fall into two categories: trend following and countertrend. With trend following, you're looking to ride the wave of a recurring seasonal movement. With countertrend, you aim to capitalize on short-term corrections or reversals during these patterns. Here's an example. Let's say it's February, and historical data shows the GBP/USD pair tends to rally during this month. A trend-following strategy would involve identifying key support levels and buying on pullbacks. But if you notice that the pair tends to dip briefly before rallying, you might wait for that dip to enter a countertrend position. And speaking of strategies, this is where tools like the Apex Trend Indicator come in clutch. Imagine this. You've identified a seasonal trend, but you're not sure when or where to jump in. That's where the Apex Trend Indicator shines. It uses advanced algorithms to give you non-repainting buy and sell signals, making it easier to pinpoint high-probability trade setups. Let me paint the picture. The trend scanner on the Apex indicator shows you whether a pair is in an uptrend or downtrend across multiple timeframes. If the scanner lights up blue for an uptrend in the GBP/USD pair during February, you've got confirmation that aligns with the seasonal pattern. On top of that, the indicator provides dynamic take profit and stop loss levels, ensuring your trades are both strategic and protected. Now, back to the broader topic. How do you figure out which pairs to trade? Historical data is your best friend. Platforms like MetaTrader offer tools to analyze past performance, but here's a pro tip. Focus on pairs tied to commodity-heavy economies like AUD, USD or USD, CAD. These pairs often display stronger seasonal patterns due to their reliance on natural resources. And don't forget about the power of economic calendars. Events like Australia's January trade balance report or Canada's oil inventory data can amplify seasonal movements, giving you an extra edge. Combine that with the Apex Trend Indicators alerts, and you've got a recipe for identifying high-quality setups with minimal guesswork. Let's talk money management for a moment. Seasonal strategies are only as good as your risk management plan. Even the most consistent seasonal patterns can fail due to unexpected news or market volatility. That's why it's crucial to use tools like dynamic stop losses, which adapt to current market conditions. The Apex indicator calculates these for you, so you don't have to second-guess your exit strategy. One last tip before we wrap up: backtesting. Always test your seasonal strategies on historical data before trading live. This will help you refine your approach and build confidence in your setup. And guess what? The Apex Trend Indicator makes this easy too. You can visually scan past signals to see how they would have performed during previous seasonal trends. This is invaluable for understanding the indicator's reliability in different market conditions. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, seasonal patterns can be a powerful addition to your trading arsenal. And when you pair them with tools like the Apex Trend Indicator, you're not just trading, you're trading smarter. If you're ready to take your Forex game to the next level, check out fxlimit.com for more details on how the Apex Trend Indicator can transform your trading strategy. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And hey, share your favorite seasonal trading strategies in the comments below. Let's grow and learn together. Until next time, happy trading.